Time for me to give you today's holidays and observances and the famous birthday segment. Yan, this is being brought to you, of course, by Royal Duty Free. Okay, they have their ongoing promo pa rin. Siyempre, hanggang May 31, yung kanilang Summer Fun Adventure Raffle promo. For every 500 peso purchase, entitles you to one raffle ticket. Yan, kasali ka na sa paraffle, di ba? And you will get the chance to win the grand prize of trip for 4 to Phuket, Thailand. Apat kayo pare ko, di ba? So kung nanalo ka, sama mo si Macy's, di ba? May dalawa pa. Yung dalawa mong tago mo. Sa ibang plane mo isasakay. Dahil dalawang anak mo syempre isama mo. Ano ba? Ayan, the raffle promo is ongoing. Okay? For every 500 purchase, dali nyo yung receipt nyo dun sa customer service counter so that you will earn one raffle entry. Kung 500 pero kung 1,000, di dalawa yung entry mo, di ba? Oh, San ka pa? Okay? So again, this segment brought to you by Royal Duty Free. And on with today's holidays and observances, April 29, International Dance Day by UNESCO. Sino mahilig sumayaw? O, yung mga dancer dyan, in case you don't know, International Dance Day. Global celebration of dance promoted by the International Dance Council of the International Theatre Institute. Okay? And also, the United Nations designated April 29 to be the Day of Remembrance for all victims of chemical warfare. May di ba? Nagkaroon sila ng international internationally agreement not to use chemical warfare because it's really really harsh. Grabe naman ang chemical warfare. Grabe 'yan. Oh, di ba? For those who are not familiar, yan yung gagamitan self-explanatory warfare kung saan gumagamit ng chemicals. They will drop bombs with chemicals in it. And grabe yung yung effect nun sa the last time this was used, this happened was in Syria. 'Di ba? You guys remember? Nakita nyo sa news, grabe yung mga naging effect nun, 'di ba? Yung mga hindi ko na kasi napanood ko yung video nun, nakakaiyak. Yung bata, makikita mo yung bata, nalanghap niya tinanap yung bomb na may chemical warhead. Syempre kumalat yung chemical. Makikita mo yung mga tao, yung mga bata naghihingalo dahil nalanghap nila yon yung chemical, di ba? Hindi man sila namatay doon sa pagsabog, doon sa sa chemical na kumalat. Grabe, no? Yeah. So, alam mo the best niyan, whenever may gera, ang gawin nating solusyon. Ito suggestion lang pero sana i-take ng United Nations seriously. Ganito na lang. Pag may gera, pag may alitan ng dalawang bansa, padala nyo yung mga sundalo nyo. Kunyari, 500 na sundalo kay Russia, 500 na sundalo din kay Ukraine. Magtagpo sila somewhere, magsuntukan sila, mano-mano, walang weapon, suntukan lang, tira matibay, ganun lang. Ganun na lang ang gawin nating gera, di ba? Kung sinong mananalo sa suntukan na yun, kung may matitira pa, yun yung panalo, ganun na lang. Di ba? Wala kayong na-harm na walang papasabugin na bahay, na pinundar nung nakatira doon for a long, long time. Yung iba, may mga farm na masisira. Diba? It's so harsh. Wars are so harsh for us all humans, di ba? Pinaghirapan mo, mawawala sa isang iglap no? Mamaya may mga suggestion pa ako. And April 29 is also International Almanac Appreciation Day. Yan yung Google namin noon nung kapanahonan namin, yung almanac. Reference tsaka dictionary. Okay, International Peace Roses Day. Ayan. Ba't puro tungkol sa war and peace and April, ano ba meron? April, birthday nung kapatid ko, kaya pala war and peace. Yeah. World Wish Day. Wow. Ay, magandang topic to I wish we have more World Wish Day. I wish we have more time. Paubos na kasi oras ko. World Wish Day. If you have one wish, ano ito? Di ba? Magandang topic to. Bukas gawin natin agaan ko. If you have one wish, ano ito? Di ba? Anong gusto mo? Yan. April 29, lastly, is also World Zipper Day. Marks the day the zipper was invented. One of the pinaka-importanting invention ng mankind, no? Imagine mo kung hindi na invento yung zipper, no? We walk around with our pants open. Hindi naman, hindi naman. May pangsara din noon. Iba yung pangsara noon nung hindi pa na-invent yung zipper. Pero tayong mga lalaki ha, we fell victim, tayong pinakamaraming nasaktan dyan sa zipper no? Yung mga lalaki. Alam nyo kung bakit? Basta, lalaki ang pinakamaraming, in celebration of World Zipper Day, I'm gonna let you guys know, everybody know, lalaki po ang pinakamaraming nasaktan sa pamamagitan ng zipper. Only legends know. Alright, so there you have it. Just some of today's holidays and observances. And para naman sa mga nagbe-birthday ngayon, those who are celebrating their birthdays, April 29, 2025, this one's for you! Happy birthday to you, happy birthday! Famous people celebrating the birthdays today. Let's check for you. Includes Elmo Magalona. Alright, si Elmo Magalona. Mukha ni DJ Elmo. My good friend Eric Izon. Ayan, okay. Happy birthday to you, Elmo Magalona. Anak ni Francis Magalona, syempre, no? A great rapper, the Philippines King of Rap. Who else? Happy birthday also to Willie Nelson. All right, you guys remember Willie Nelson? Yeah, he's still around, of course. He turns 92 today. He's a great country singer. All right, and TV actress who's really popular nowadays, si Xochitl Gomez. All right, she was in the Netflix reboot of Babysitter's Club. You guys remember? Huh? You guys remember? Panood nyo? Ako hindi. Pag ito papanoorin ko. Ayan na naman ako no? Hihiga, bubuksan yung TV. Credits pa lang. It always happens. Kaya yung mga kadate ko manood, busit na busit sa akin Kakaumpisa pa lang, himihilik na Yan. Si Willie Nelson, happy birthday to you. He turns 92 by the way. Uma Thurman turns 55. Movie actress and she started her career being a supermodel. Do you guys know that? Supermodel muna si Uma Thurman bago naging artista. Alright. Next up we have Jerry Seinfeld, turned 71 today. I used to watch his Seinfeld comedy TV series. It's nice to watch. May mga matutunan ka. Parang parang Friends. You learn a lot of it about life from it. Learn from it, I mean, about life a lot. And rapper Master P, he was really popular back in the late 80s, early 90s. Master P turns 55 today. Movie actress Michelle Pfeiffer. Michelle Pfeiffer parang hindi tumatanda, no? She turned 67 today. She still looks like the Catwoman we've come to know. Yung nanatili sa mind natin na itsura niya, yung pa rin. Ganun na ganun pa rin, no? And race car driver superstar Dale Earnhardt was born April 29, 1951, but he passed away back in 2001, long time ago. And multi-awarded actor, very versatile actor and a very good actor, Daniel Day-Lewis, turns 68 today. Happy birthday to you. And next up, happy birthday also to sino ba itong mga to? Hindi ko nakilala tong iba I thought famous birthday. Hindi naman famous masyado itong mga to. Alright, I guess that's about it. There you have it, celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them, all of you. April 29 birthday celebrants. Alright, in addition, of course, my Ate Mean celebrating her birthday today. She turns 25 today. Wow, with 25 years experience. So 25 plus 25 equals 25. Si Ate Emmy din, our dear cousin, Ate Emily Carbajal. Ayan, Emily Lorenzo Carbajal. Happy birthday to you. Ate Emmy turns 27 today plus 27 years experience. So 27 times 2. Happy birthday sa inyo ha. Yan, okay. And yung pagbati, syempre sa inyong paboritong si Little Tommy. Sabi niya, mga tita, happy birthday daw. Ayan, okay. Tita Mean and Tita Emmy, happy birthday. Everybody celebrating your birthday today. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.